I'm Jake Van Newkirk. I'm an instructor at the Digital Workshop Center. I teach Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop, both at beginner and advanced levels. I have over 25 years experience creating digital content for both print and digital marketing. That's anywhere from logo design to digital content for social media and websites, and then branding for companies, services, and consumer goods. I teach the program from the ground up. I focus on the fundamentals, the tools, and the functionality of the program for today's market and industry. We'll learn techniques and workflow that are on trend and relevant. In the advanced classes, we create multi-layered content. We look at typography, color modes, and practice exporting for print and digital circulation. I'll teach the skills that are needed and required for graphic design and any digital creative field. Thank you, and I look forward to the opportunity.